What is going on YouTube? Just got back from DQ. I'm gonna try their pumpkin pie blizzard. This is gonna be a medium. I think it was like $2.69, $2.79 for a medium. Not too bad. Anything pumpkin spice, pumpkin pie, I love. The whipped cream looks like it's got the sprinkled pumpkin on there. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this and see what it tastes like. I'm pretty excited to try this. Alright, so here's with the lid off, so you can see the whipped cream. It's got the sprinkled pumpkin pie on there, so yeah, let's go ahead and give it a try and see what it tastes like. Alright, so let's go ahead and give this a try. You can really smell the pumpkin pie. Wow, it's really good. It's also got pumpkin pie, like the crust. It's got like a chunk of the crust in there. That is really good. You can really smell the pumpkin spice too, or the pumpkin pie. Wow, this is really good. Definitely give this a 10 out of 10. Pumpkin pie blizzard from Dairy Queen. It's really good. It's nice and thick, like ice cream with the whipped cream. It's got the pumpkin sprinkled on top there with pumpkin pie crust chunks. Wow, really good. So let me know if you guys have tried this or seen it. I also got their pretzel that I'm going to do a quick review on, so we'll check that out right here in a minute. So here's also the pretzels that they do, and it also comes with a little bucket of cheese. You can get this with no salt or with salt. I got mine with salt, so we're going to go ahead and try it and see what it tastes like. Alright, so here's going to be the pretzel with the cheese. Oh yeah, it's a really good pretzel. Not bad. I think the pretzels were $1.69 with the cheese, so not bad at all. So yep, just a quick review on the new pumpkin pie blizzard and their soft pretzels. As always, let me know what you guys think, and we will see you next vid. Peace.